Hello, my dear guest. It's a great idea to set up defaults for your schematics, so you don't need to pass properties every time you generate a new component. For example, you have component and you do not use tests and you use standalone and you have some custom prefix, in this case RTX. You do not want to do it for every single one component. What you want to do is just to use plain ng generate component user. To achieve this, you need to navigate to your Angular JSON file. It's usually in the root of the project. And here, maybe you already have this schematics property. If you don't have, you need to add. And in this case, I already have for component. So I just need to add skip test true, standalone true, and I want some custom prefix RTX. And now when I go and try to generate, let's say, new component, let's say nice. It will generate with standalone and also with your custom. You can do this not only for component, but for other schematics. For example, for directive. Because directive doesn't have style, so we can remove it. I hope this helps you. And remember to take breaks. Have a great day. Bye.